Hello everybody. This evening what we're going to be doing, we're going to be hand pollinating a pumpkin. We've got a Deal Atlantic pumpkin. We've never grown this variety pumpkin before. It's supposed to be super large pumpkins, we'll see. But what we're going to do, I've got a male flower right here. As soon as we get the petals off here, the bloom. Alrighty, you take that, we're going to go down to a female flower. And how you can tell the female flower, it's got a little round pumpkin behind it back there. And it's got to be pollinated or that little, it'll just die. And you just rub the pollen around it there. You're doing the job of a bee. And then what we'll do, we'll take a rubber band and seal that off to where nothing else, no other pollen gets in there from another pumpkin or a squash. And in a few days we'll have a video here treating downy mildew, because I come in to see and that's what it looks like it has. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching. If you would, like and subscribe, it's free. And you all have a blessed day. Thank you again.